Experience an unparalleled shower experience with the Scudo S6 sliding door shower enclosure, available here at Bella Bathrooms. Its sleek chrome frame adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom, or the crystal clear glass, made from 6mm toughened safety glass, provides a stunning visual appeal. Thanks to its universal setup, you can easily open the door from the left or right side, giving you maximum flexibility. The smooth sliding action guarantees easy entry every time, creating a hassle-free shower experience that will leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. But that's not all. The Scudo S6 features an Aqua shield glass treatment, making it resistant to water stains and grime. Say goodbye to monotonous cleaning sessions. Designed to be placed in a corner, this shower enclosure boasts a 1000mm shower door and a 760mm side panel, providing ample light and space for you to relax and unwind in style. Upgrade your bathroom with the Scudo S6 sliding door shower enclosure, where luxury meets functionality. Get ready to step into your own personal oasis. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo shower enclosure range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.